Video topic: What to do for transforming from current accountant roles to future accounting roles. The accounting world is evolving rapidly, driven by the rise of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, big data analytics, and cloud computing. These technological advancements fundamentally reshape traditional accounting roles, and future accountants will need a blend of technical, analytical, and strategic skills to thrive in this new environment. So, how can current accountants transform themselves to align with the future of accounting? Here's a roadmap to help guide that transition. 1. Embrace automation. And AI automation is expected to take over many of the repetitive, transactional tasks currently performed by accountants, such as data entry, reconciliations, and auditing processes. Accountants must transition from performing these tasks to overseeing and managing automated systems to stay relevant. What you can do: gain familiarity with AI-powered accounting software. Learn how to leverage automation tools like robotic process automation, RPA, to streamline processes. Understand the ethical and governance considerations associated with AI in accounting. 2. Develop data analytics skills. The future of accounting will increasingly rely on data analytics to make informed decisions. Accountants will need to become proficient in interpreting large data sets, recognizing trends, and providing actionable insights for businesses. This is not just about understanding financial data but also being able to work with non-financial information, such as customer data or market trends, which are crucial in modern decision-making. What you can do: acquire data analytics skills through online courses or certifications, such as SQL, Python, or Advanced Excel. Learn how to use business intelligence (BI) tools like Tableau or Power BI for data visualization and analysis. Focus on storytelling with data, how to present your analysis in a way that influences business decisions. 3. Master blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology is poised to significantly impact accounting, particularly in areas like auditing and compliance. The transparent and immutable nature of blockchain can improve the accuracy and traceability of financial transactions, while reducing the risk of fraud. Cryptocurrencies are also becoming a critical part of many businesses' financial portfolios. What you can do: take courses or certifications in blockchain technology to understand its impact on accounting. Stay updated on the latest regulations and reporting requirements related to cryptocurrencies. Learn how to audit blockchain-based transactions. 4. Focus on strategic thinking and advisory roles. With the automation of routine accounting tasks, the role of accountants will shift towards more strategic functions. Accountants of the future will need to act as business advisors, helping companies navigate complex financial landscapes and make strategic decisions that drive growth. What you can do: develop soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. Focus on broader business strategy and management principles. Enhance your communication skills to effectively present financial information to non-financial stakeholders. 5. Invest in continuous learning. The accounting profession is in a state of constant evolution, and staying ahead will require continuous learning. As new technologies emerge, accountants must be willing to invest time and resources into upskilling and reskilling themselves to stay competitive. What you can do: regularly attend industry seminars, webinars, and conferences focused on future trends in accounting. Engage with professional organizations like the CPA or ACCA, which often offer relevant courses and certifications. Stay updated on global accounting standards and technological innovations that impact the profession. 6. Gain experience in ESG, environmental, social, and governance reporting. There is an increasing emphasis on sustainability and ESG reporting in the business world. Future accountants will play a vital role in measuring and reporting on a company's environmental and social impact, alongside its financial performance. What you can do: learn about ESG reporting frameworks like the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, or the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, SASB. Understand how to integrate ESG metrics into financial reporting and analysis. Develop an understanding of sustainability challenges and their financial implications. 7. Build digital literacy. As more accounting functions move to the cloud and digital transformation continues to drive change, accountants need to develop a high level of digital literacy. This means understanding the technology that drives accounting software and having the ability to troubleshoot, integrate systems, and ensure data security. What you can do: learn about cloud accounting platforms such as QuickBooks, Xero, and Sage. Understand cybersecurity basics to protect sensitive financial data. Stay up to date with digital transformation trends in the accounting field. 8. Understand regulatory changes and compliance. The future of accounting will be heavily influenced by evolving regulations, particularly with the introduction of AI, blockchain, and new financial instruments. Accountants must stay informed about these changes and adapt their practices to ensure compliance with national and international standards. What you can do: subscribe to industry news platforms or join relevant professional bodies to stay updated on regulatory changes. Ensure that your knowledge of tax laws, financial reporting standards, and compliance frameworks remains current. Consider pursuing specialized certifications in compliance, risk management, or international accounting standards. 9. Collaborate with cross-functional teams. The future accountant is not confined to the finance department but is increasingly integrated into broader business functions. Collaboration with IT, marketing, operations, and HR will be critical as financial data becomes more intertwined with other business metrics. What you can do: practice working in cross-functional teams to gain a broader understanding of how accounting impacts different areas of the business. Focus on building relationships with colleagues in other departments. Learn to use collaborative tools and platforms for enhanced communication and project management. Conclusion: embrace the future with confidence. The transformation of accounting roles presents challenges but also incredible opportunities for growth. The key to successfully navigating this transition lies in staying agile, embracing technology, and continuously expanding your skill set. By taking proactive steps now, you can position yourself to survive and thrive in the future of accounting, becoming a more valuable and strategic asset to your organization. In summary, to prepare for future accounting roles, focus on gaining proficiency in AI and automation, developing data analytics and blockchain skills, shifting toward advisory and strategic roles, investing in lifelong learning and professional development, expanding your digital literacy and ESG expertise. Accountants who embrace these changes will find themselves at the forefront of an exciting new era in accounting. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for your success. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.